My haters always say that this looks like plastic. 24 karat PLA. How do you turn this off? Yes, this is a 3D printed plastic chain. By the end of this video, you're gonna see a maxed out version of this chain, but in a really unique, cool way. Me and my best friend, Plastic 3D, actually designed that chain plus a bunch of other ones, but I decided to put a little bit of a spin on it and do something awesome. This is Yammington, which if you know, you know, but long story short, I took this, put it onto the chain, and sent it off to a famous rapper slash singer slash live streamer's P.O. box. And then one day, TreyFromNextDoor actually started opening all the gifts that I sent him. If you were there when he unboxed the yam chain, it was hilarious. It was so funny that I continued to make custom yam chains based off of the people he streamed with. The first chain was the Leo chain, and this is hilarious.
Leo's got potato chip!
We have the Ali chain, the Crystal chain. I have sent him a bunch of things that I have actually designed myself, but I've never really made content on it, so that's what we're doing right now. This is the normal chain, and this is at 150% scale. The pendant just finished printing, and of course we can't forget Yammington. Gonna take this out. Okay. Perfect. The original spinning yam chains that I sent him used a traditional skateboard bearing. And for this one, we're using whatever this bearing's for. It is much bigger. To make sure that this is actually going to spin correctly, I have to take the rubber covers off and clean out all the grease inside. There's a lot of grease in here and this does not want to spin very well. Now it spins much better. To make sure that Yammington is properly balanced for this chain, I have to do a little bit of surgery. With that done, I can now pull this piece off carefully, exposing the infill, like so. And the result looks like this. You might be asking yourself, Ben, why didn't you just model that area open? It's just a lot easier to get weight distribution properly doing it this way. I have so many extra nuts and bolts lying around that I'm just gonna use it for this project. And I'm just gonna hot glue it into place, because why not? Now I can add the bearing. The bearing itself is actually pressure fit into place, and we have the weights at the bottom, and now we can assemble the pendant and put it all together. This part's a little bit tricky, but bear with me. Stick this part over the actual chain, then this piece goes into here, and we put the pin through the center. Kind of like this, so it pops out the back. Then this piece will slot into here, but I'm gonna put a little bit of super glue just to make sure it's all secure. Now we just have to put the final piece into here, and we can assemble Yammington and try it out. Should just push in. Awesome. Before the grand reveal, I need to check this out. Oh, new Trey merch. And the grand reveal, sure this is all on here. Oh my, this is sick. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, because I think this thing turned out absolutely awesome. This has just been kind of like a side project that I haven't really posted about, but I figured why not kind of show some lore and make a bigger chain on video. Plastic chain. I don't want to talk about it.